Let's learn how to make a slow motion video in CapCut. If you want to create a slow motion video in CapCut but don't know how to do it, you don't have to struggle with it anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. By the way, you should know that this tutorial is the same for both iPhone and Android. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app. Once you've opened CapCut, you'll be on the home screen where you need to click the blue New Project button. When you click that, a screen will open showing all your videos. On that screen, you need to select the video you want and then click the Add button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click that, a screen will open where you can edit the video. On that screen, you need to select that video. When you do that, you'll have a lot of tools at the bottom of the screen. Out of all those tools, you need to click the Speed tool. When you click that, 3 options will appear. If you're a beginner, you need to click the first option, which is Normal. When you click that, you'll have a circle that you can move. If you move it to the left, you'll decrease the speed of your video, thus creating a slow motion video. If you're more advanced, you need to click the Curve option. When you click that, some preset curves will appear, but you need to click Custom twice. When you do that, a menu will open where you'll have some circles. Now you can adjust them. If you want to slow down the video, you need to lower the circles. Where you want it to be slower, lower the circle. And where you want it to be slightly slow, don't lower it too much. If you want to add another circle, you need to click the white Add Beat button. When you adjust the circles as you want, you need to click the Done option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully created a slow motion video. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.